I think this was my favorite episode in the DIY series because these shower steamers were so fun to make. I started with 2 cups of baking soda and half a cup of citric acid. If you don't have time to order your citric acid, you can find it in the canning section of the grocery store. But I had a bag that I needed to use up. Now we're going to mix these dry ingredients up really good. Then you're going to want to add 2 teaspoons of essential oils. I used half a teaspoon of lavender, half a teaspoon of mint, and a whole teaspoon of eucalyptus. And this combination was heavenly. Mix those essential oils as good as you can. Then we're going to take a spray bottle of water and gently spray this mixture just until it's wet enough to hold its form. Too much water will have it fizzing and will ruin them. But you can see here what I mean by holding its form. I use a silicone liner to mold them, but if I didn't have that, I would use a muffin pan with some cupcake liners. I then placed some lavender buds in the bottom for decoration and then began gently packing each little mold. Once I had them all full and packed in, I gently leveled the tops and kind of just wiped away the fingerprints. I gave the top a gentle spray of water, very, very carefully, do not use too much water, and made sure they were tightly packed in. We let these sit for 24 hours and then they are ready. After the 24 hours, I carefully removed them from the mold, and I'm absolutely loving how they turned out. I'm going to use the same bags I did for the simmer pouches and just carefully set them down inside that bag. I folded the top over and placed my label on, and I really like how these turned out.